Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you that how you can apply simple remedies and you can make your eyelashes stronger and longer. So let's start. For the first remedy, take 1 tablespoon of almond oil. And then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Your eyebrows and eyelashes in the next day morning. And the third remedy, take onion and make it its juice. Now take 2 tablespoons of onion juice and then take 1 tablespoon of castor oil.